Kia ora te whānau, we're up to day 5. Day 5, tuarima, of the wiki o te Reo Māori. So, tonight's tip, just another quick one for you. Make sure you take a break. Make sure you take a break from your study. I think when you're learning, there's sort of two pathways you can go down, and they need to happen concurrently. So the first one is where you're building this immersion environment where you're hearing te reo, you're seeing it and you're reading it, and you're building this environment where you can't escape it. But then the other part is where you've actually got to sit down with a pen and paper and study like you're back at school. You've got to sit down and write out things, because that's a really good way to learn. And a lot of people say that kids learn languages so much, they learn things so much quicker than adults, and I think that's only true because they're stuck. They're forced into it. They have no choice but to learn the language because it's just around them all the time. Whereas you can't really say that they learn it better. It's not like they're a better learner. Like they can't. You know the difference between verbs, nouns, and adverbs. Like I presume you do. Whereas a kid doesn't, and I explain those things to you, and you can write them out and you can learn them quite quickly. Whereas a kid, they take a lot longer to actually learn it, like sit down and actually study. So my point being is you can start studying and you can get a little too far into it. So study as much as you need to, but you still will pick up a whole lot more just by listening to it, just by seeing it and just being around it and just immersing yourself in it. So I'm also partially saying take a break because it's like 11 o'clock right now and I'm pretty tired. So I'm in that bit of a zone of take it easy. But that's my tip for today. I'll be back tomorrow for day 6. We're nearly at the end of it. It's been a good week so far. Enjoy.